thunderstorm. It's a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George are having a picnic. Here's some orange juice for you, Teddy. What do you say? Thank you very much, Peppa. You're very welcome, Teddy. There's some orange juice for you, Mr. Dinosaur. What do you say? Grrr. You're very welcome, Mr. Dinosaur. Would Teddy or Mr. Dinosaur like a cookie? We're not very hungry, so Peppa and George can eat all the cookies. Thank you, Teddy. Yummy. What was that strange noise? Peppa, George, quick, come inside the house. Mommy, there was a loud bang sound. It's thunder, Peppa. It means there will be a thunderstorm with lots of rain. Quick, into the house before the rain started. No need to panic. The rain is still a long way off.